Welcome everyone. Here's this week's Lego Monday. Gonna be Luke Skywalker's X-wing fighter. According to one of the guys I watch on YouTube, they are going to be retiring this set pretty soon, so you might want to pick it up if you want it. I don't know if that's true or not, but he seems to know what he's talking about, so I trust him. Shout out to Benjamin B for that. He's one of the two British Lego guys I follow. The other one being the Lego Brit. Both of them interesting and very different takes on Lego stuff. So I encourage you to check them out if you're interested in it. We get is it Admiral or General Dodonna? It was Dodonna. General Dodonna, Leia, R2, and Luke are the figures for this. And I do like the fact that it actually fits into the body of the X-Wing. R2 actually fits into the body of the X-Wing, I should say. Probably make this a 2-week process. I don't think I'm going to be able to, unless things go really, really smoothly, which I never count on. I think this will be more than a 1-week build. But let's pop her open and see what we can see and go from there. And looks like 2 bags, 3, no, 4, and some stickers. All right, not a super chunky book, but chunky enough. I'm used to seeing the ones double the length, so I like this form factor better. How many total steps we got on this one? One more page. Okay, that's demonstrating how to use it. 191 steps. And 191 first steps just loading the cannon, so I don't think that would count. 190 steps. Okay, so I think I'm going to try and do bags 1 and 2 this week and 3 and 4 next week. This is going to be my plan, so I got the next couple of Lego Mondays worked out for us. So that being said, I'm going to put 3 and 4 away, break out in Knoll 1 and 2, and I'll be right back, and you can watch me do my high-speed thing with some kind of unlicensed music, or free music, whatever. I forget how it's phrased, but where you don't have to pay for the license. All right. Talk to you again at the end. Okay, that's where we pretty much got the whole body built on the end of bag 1. Feels pretty sturdy actually, considering the wobbly nature of it. No, they did finally lock down that front. Those wiggling a little bit. I think there's some good potential here. I like it. Everything fits together good and snug. Like I say, it feels solid in the hand. I like it. So I'll get out bag 2 and continue on as we go. Okay, that concludes bag 2. It's got what's eventually going to be the wings. It's got just push down on the little nub, and they're going to spread out. I like that. I guess it's manually going to push them back together. No real surprising detail. I guess that's eventually going to be R2's little nook. Evidently. So that works, but I mean, it seems like he ought to be further down than that. That's just me. And they might build up more around him too. I'm not sure. But that's cool. This was a good purchase. I think I got this on sale. I think it was like $40 when I bought it. Normally 50 something. Stickers are crooked as usual for me. I can live with that. I hope you can too. But otherwise, you know, as I say, got R2, General Dodonna, Leia, and Luke. Whoa, come back here. Luke, I like, all fun. I think I've had a couple of the X-Wing pilots. I don't know if they were Luke in the, the Advent calendars. I don't think I've ever had a Leia before, if you come to think of it. Anyway, I'm pleased with this one so far. It's a fun little build. Going together nice and quick for me. Feels solid. That's something I always like. It doesn't, if I try and break it, of course I can, but in your hand it feels good and sturdy. Anyways, so tune in next Monday and we'll finish this up. Hope everybody has a good week. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. I think I'm going to convert to doing, on my action figure toy things, I'm going to go to doing shorts for the individual figures. Just try and drum up a few more subscribers, get the word out. I think they get a little more notoriety when I do that. But otherwise, I think I already said it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.